So, hello guys, today I'll be unboxing my Mivi speaker that I've ordered from Flipkart few days ago. So actually I've opened it, but I'll do the unboxing now. So inside the box you'll get this plastic, and then boom, there's a packet, I guess, on the Mivi speaker. Then inside the packet you'll get this plastic. You throw this out, boom, this is the speaker. Look at this is the speaker. Quality is good. And inside the box you'll get this USB cable. Yeah, this is micro USB cable, but you won't get the adapter inside. This is the aux cable. The quality is good. And so maybe this is the manual, user manual. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.
When I was 16, my father said, "You can do anything."
So the quality of the sound is quite good.